Okay, by now you should have spent 20 minutes on your mole sentences activity from page 28. This page should be totally filled out. You should have taken a quiz. Now I need you to open your booklets to page 29. Open your booklets to page 29. We're going to just do this top part here, and then you're done for the day. Here we go. Page 29 is about percent composition. Percent composition is the percentage of each element's something within a given compound. Let's see if we can figure it out. Here's a formula. Percent composition of an element is the total mass of each element in the compound divided by the molar mass of the compound times 100 to make it a percent. Do you think it is maybe the percentage of each element's mass within a given compound? If that is what you thought, then you were right. Good job. You're so smart. Okay. To find the percent composition of the compound AlBr3, first you have to find the molar mass of the compound. So all the time, if you're finding percent composition, this is what you have to do first. Find the molar mass of the compound. Always. You always need the compound's molar mass. So you go find the total mass of each element, like aluminum on the periodic table is 26.98, and there was 1 aluminum in AlBr3, so we're going to do 1 times 26.98. So that total is 1 times 26.8. Oh, that's 26.98. For bromine, there were 3 of them in AlBr3. So I'm going to take 3 times however many bromines there are. 79.90 is the mass of bromine. So 3 is how many bromines there are times their mass, 79.90. And if you put that in your calculator, you get 239.70. That's bromines total. Now we add up our total bromine plus our total aluminum, and we find that the molar mass of the compound is 266.68 grams per mole. Okay. Now we find the percent composition. You always need the molar mass first, then you find the percent composition. I'm going to give you a clue here. Unless the question mentions just one element, you have to find the percent. You have to find the percent for every element in the compound. Every single one of them. So in this compound, we have aluminum and Br. So we need an answer for aluminum and an answer for Br. If you look at like this practice number 1, there's Cu and Br. You'll need an answer for Cu and an answer for Br for that. If you look at number 2, you'll need an answer for Mg and an answer for O. If you look at number 3, you'll need an answer for N, an answer for H, and an answer for S. Are you following me? Good. Okay, so going back up to the top here. Aluminum and bromine. Here's what you do. The percent composition is the total mass of the element in the compound. So for aluminum, the total mass of aluminum is 26.98. So 26.98. It's divided by the molar mass of the compound. So divided by the molar mass of my compound was 266.68. I just do this over this times 100. And if you type that into your calculator correctly, I'll give you a second. Go ahead, type it out. Shout out the answer when you get it. That won't be annoying to your classmates at all. You should get 10.11, or excuse me, it should round to 10.12%. Yes, we're still doing 2 decimal places. Okay, when we go to do bromine, again, we take the total mass of the element in the compound. So not just 79.90, we need all of the bromine. All of the bromine is 239.70. It's going to be divided by the molar mass of the compound. So again, our molar mass of our compound is what? 266.68, yep. Again, if you put this into your calculator, you should get 89.88%. And that's for bromine. And my bad, we should have labeled the first one for aluminum. So make sure you label the first one for aluminum also. Okay, if you're a smarty pants who's going, couldn't I just subtract from 100? Yes, you're right, smarty pants. But you can only do that for the last element. So keep that in mind. Okay. If there are fewer than 5 minutes until the bell rings, you are done for the day. If there are more than 5 minutes until the bell rings, you have to do at least one more problem on page 29. You're welcome. I love you, kind of, I guess, sometimes. You're fine, I guess. I'll see you when I feel better next week.